So if you think that what I've experienced in the last couple of weeks since I joined my digital marketing e-course program is just a fluke, making multiple four-figure income in just 2 weeks. If it's just a fluke, I'm just here to tell you that it's not. We have a community where we're able to post our wins, and I want you to take a look at some of these wins. So this is the kind of stuff that we're seeing in our community. And so why is this happening? It's happening because this entire digital marketing course is set up for your success. Otherwise, why create it in the first place, right? It's set up for your success with a proven 2-hour workday. So you just master this 2-hour workday. You tells you the steps that you need to do. You just go ahead and do them. And these are the kind of results you see. This is the beauty of this system. I know there's lots of different things out there. I've had lots of friends who have purchased digital marketing products and they don't see results like I have seen or results like I just showed you. They don't see them. Why? Because there's not a community that supports you. There's not a proven blueprint that works. There's not a master your 2-hour workday and see results like this. I'm telling you, this is all about the step-by-step, paint by numbers blueprint that you follow. If you're ready just to learn more, if you're just even slightly curious about what all this is, just comment blueprint and I'm happy to share.